MP4Doggy. You probably came from my eBay site, from eBay, so it's Mike Psych 283. We're one and the same, doesn't really matter. So this is what I'm selling. I'm selling an RGH Custom 360. Which is enclosed in a 3D printed case. Everything works. There are a couple things that you should know about. The power button on it doesn't work, so the unit must be powered on. This turns on the Xbox. This media remote turns on the Xbox, and then once the Xbox is on, you just turn the screen on with this power, with the TV's power button. So it's very easy to use. So I had to replace the sync button. So the sync button for it is right here. So if you have more than one controller or a new controller, you just push this button. You push it and hold it for 2 seconds, and then the sync button, and then you'll be able to sync a new controller. And this is kind of what it looks like. It's not perfect. If you want a perfectly printed Xbox, modified Xbox in a traditional case, maybe look elsewhere. This may not be the one for you, but this is what I did. So you can see this is the case. A couple of ventilation holes in it. So here's the sync button that I talked about right here, and there's a headphone jack right in here. And then we have our 2 fans to keep it running cool. Like I said, if you're looking for a perfect case, there are other people on there selling just regular RGH Xboxes. Maybe look them up, and they're probably not as expensive as mine, because you have your own TV, which is fine. Thanks for looking. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at mp4doggy@gmail.com. Don't email me saying you want to take the purchase from off PayPal or anything like that, because I'm not interested in until I get a little bit more of these and I get my website set up. I'm gonna start building these. I'll get better at building them, but I'm looking at different designs. So if you're not interested in this one, please check back later. Maybe there's something in there. Maybe I have something in there that you will want to purchase. As far as these custom cases that I'm trying to build, I'm trying to do something different rather than just doing a RGH Xbox in a black case or green or whatever. I'm trying to bring out something that not a lot of people are doing. All right, enough talking. Like I said, if you have any questions, please hit me. You can hit me up on eBay, or you can hit me up at mp4doggy@gmail.com. All right, I'm out. Bye.